everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is going to be something you could use for Christmas, or after Christmas, or during Christmas week. It's how to make a baked potato in the Instapot. You can do lots of things with baked potatoes, put stuff on them, eat them as a side dish, many, many things. So, that's what this recipe is. And if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Merry Christmas! Chef Yoda the dog out.
Happy Monday! So this is baked potatoes in the slow cooker. Instapot. So last time we did mashed potatoes, or we boiled the potatoes. Now we're gonna bake them. So you still do a cup of water down in there under the trivet, then you put a trivet on it, and then you can stack the potatoes. This is 4 to 5, but if you need to increase the recipe, I'm going to link it below, and you always can. And it says that you can stack the potatoes on top of each other and they'll still cook. Also, just so you know, we had to wash the potatoes and then pierce them with a fork before putting them in here. So we did all that. We're putting on the lid. It needs to be sealing because this is pressure cooking. We're gonna do manual, and since they're larger potatoes, learn the lesson from last time, and we're gonna do 18 minutes pressure cook. So I will show you the next step when that is done. All right, so we let it natural release for like 45 minutes, and the thing hadn't gone down yet, so I read it again, and it said, then quick release the rest. I don't know what that means. Like, how long do you let it natural release before you stop? I don't know. So, but they're done. I checked them. So in natural release for like 45 minutes, then I quick release the rest of the pressure. They are done. So now we have our baked potatoes in the Instapot. Enjoy.